Calcarea Phosphorica, commonly referred to as Calc Phos, is a widely used biochemic remedy derived from calcium phosphate. It plays a crucial role in cellular nutrition, aiding in the development and repair of tissues, particularly bones and teeth. This remedy is associated with growth, and it is often prescribed in cases of delayed bone healing, slow development in children, and teething problems. Appearance and source: Calc Phos is prepared from calcium phosphate, which is found in nature as a major component of bones and teeth. In its medicinal form, it appears as a white, tasteless powder. Key therapeutic uses are bone and dental health, promotes bone healing, and is used for conditions like fractures, osteoporosis, and dental issues. Growth disorders, beneficial for children experiencing slow growth, delayed milestones, and problems with bone development. Weakness and fatigue, helps in cases of general debility, muscle weakness, and mental exhaustion, often seen in overworked or recovering patients. Digestive aid, useful for individuals with poor digestion, acidity, or weak appetite, particularly in those with malnutrition or anemia. Emotional well-being, supports mental health in cases of anxiety, worry, or a sense of discouragement, often linked with weakness or malnutrition. Patient profile: people who benefit from Calc Phos often feel chilly, are prone to exhaustion, and may suffer from growing pains, headaches, or digestive discomfort. It is ideal for growing children, elderly individuals, or those recovering from illness or surgery. This biochemic remedy is a vital support in promoting healthy physical development and strengthening overall vitality.